This is your Reasoning and Know Your Aptitude book, Class 2. Good morning, my lovely kids. Today we will do Chapter 4, Odd One Out. आज हम अपना न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट स्टार्ट करेंगे ऑड वन आउट का. ये हमारी कौन सी बुक है? रीजनिंग की बुक है. दिस वन कॉन्सेप्ट इज़ नॉट न्यू फॉर यू. ये आप लोगों ने लास्ट ईयर भी किया हुआ है ना. चलो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज़ मीन बाय ऑड वन आउट. Now first we will do the introduction part. I will tell you how we will find out odd one out. A letter, figure, object in a group which is different from others in the group is called odd one out. A odd one out should be letter, figure, ऑब्जेक्ट. जो ऑड वन आउट है वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. वो एक लेटर भी हो सकता है, कोई फिगर भी हो सकती है, या कोई ऑब्जेक्ट भी हो सकता है ग्रुप में. जो ग्रुप में औरों से अलग होता है वो ऑड वन आउट कहलाता है. टू अंडरस्टैंड इट, इस चीज़ को समझने के लिए लुक एट दीज एग्जाम्पल्स. अब हम कुछ एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे. फाइंड द ऑड वन आउट इन द फॉलोइंग. हमें इसमें ना 4 कप्स आर देयर, 1 2 3 and 4. नाउ विच वन इज़ ऑड वन आउट अमंग दीज? इनमें से कौन सा ऑड वन आउट है? नाउ लुक एट द फर्स्ट पिक्चर वेरी केयरफुली, देन सेकेंड, द थर्ड, देन फोर्थ. देखो इन दीज पिक्चर्स. नाउ लुक एट द हैंडल्स. दिस वन, दिस वन, दिस वन एंड दिस वन. Yes, C is different from others because like hundreds of the cup given in the option A, B and D are in the same direction. ये एक ही डायरेक्शन में है. But the handle of the cup option C is in different direction. ये different direction में है. ये देख रहे हो सब, ये इस डायरेक्शन में और ये अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है. So C is a correct option. This is the odd one out. C जो है वो odd one out है. ओके चलो अब हम कुछ और एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं. नाउ कम टू एग्जाम्पल 1. फाइंड द ऑड वन आउट इन द फॉलोइंग. नाउ लुक एट द अल्फ़ाबेट्स A, B, C and D. Do you recognize the difference? This is M. This is M. This is not M. Again this is M. It means the 3 option A, B and D are same, but option W is different from others. So this one is odd one out. Now look at the second one example. Find the odd one out in the following. अब हमें इसमें odd one out find करना है. Look at the picture A, picture B, picture C and picture D. A, C and D are same, right? But option B, this one kite is not same. As you see the tail, you see na, A, C and D are similar tails, but option B has different tail. It means option B is odd one out among these, right? Now look at the third one example. These are the shapes. Find the odd one out in the following. Look at the picture A, B, C and D. It's a triangle, it's a rectangle, it's a circle, and this is square. These are shapes na? Can you find out the difference? Can you find out the odd one out? Yes, because triangle has a corner, rectangle has a corners, square has corners, but circle has no corners. It means A, B and D are similar and C is different from others. It means C is odd one out among these. So you can find out the differences between the pictures and then you will get the odd one out one. Okay, let's start doing the exercise portion. Find the odd one out in the following. Now first we will do the first one. Now look at the first picture. A, M, B, L, C, A and D, C. Now first we have to identify the odd one out among these alphabet. Okay. Now as you see, in alphabet M has standing and sleeping lines. The same is in L, one standing and one sleeping line. A has sleeping and slanting lines. But in option D, there is no line. There is a curve. It means C option is odd one out among these. Right? Now we will do a fourth one point. Now look at these pictures. Now option A, apple is there. B, grapes is there. C, pineapple is there. And D, what is this? Cabbage is there. Did you find out the difference? Yes. This is apple. Apple is a fruit. This is grapes. Grapes again a fruit. See, pineapple. Pineapple is again a fruit. But not option D, because D has a cabbage and cabbage is a vegetable. So option D is odd one out among these. Right? So like this you have to find out the odd one out. Okay. Now the rest one questions like question 2, question 5 and 6. The rest one questions we are doing in our online class. Okay. So what you have to do for that? You have to find out the odd one out. And in our live class, in our online class, we will discuss these questions. Okay. Now come to question number 8. Now look at the picture. First one picture. There is a pencil. There is a mobile phone. Now in C there is a specs. And D there is a book. Right? Now find out the odd one out. Right? What is the difference between these pictures? Did you find out the difference? Yes, because pencil, specs and books we are used for manual work. हम लोग मैनुअली जब वर्क करते हैं, पेंसिल से लिखते हैं, चश्मा लगाते हैं और बुक से पढ़ते हैं. These all are used for manual work, but not a mobile phone. Phone is an electronic device, so mobile phone is odd one out among these. Right?